Welcome back, data enthusiasts, to our new episode. With our previous episode, we laid the groundwork for our spreadsheet journey or data journey in general, especially using Google Sheets. Today, or for this episode, we're diving into the exciting world of formulas. Yep, you heard me right. Exciting. Exciting because it's truly magical. We'll first have a look at the introduction to formulas. So when looking at formulas, formulas are like the secret sauce of spreadsheets. They are those magical combinations of symbols and cell references that perform calculations for you. With formulas, you can add, subtract, multiply, divide, and do so much more within a spreadsheet. It's like having a personal calculator built in your spreadsheet. So, have you ever tried to calculate your monthly expenses without a formula? It's like a headache waiting to happen. Formulas are your financial superheroes, helping you to stay on top of your budget and make informed decisions. So when looking at the next segment, which is cell references, to create powerful formulas, you need to reference data from other cells. Think of cell references as the addresses of your data. You can tell your formula to look at a specific cell or a range of cells. It's like giving your formula a treasure map to find the information it needs. So just as a side note as well, cell references are like the building blocks of your formulas. Master them and you'll be able to create complex calculations with ease. It's like puzzles. It's like learning a new language, but for numbers. Another segment we want to have a look at is basic functions. Google Sheets comes with a built-in toolbox of functions. It's like whipping out a toolbox but within a digital space of Google Analytics. These are pre-written formulas that perform specific tasks. Think of it, need to add up a column of numbers. So in that case, you can use the sum function. Or if you want to average, then there's a function for that too. It's like having a team of expert calculators at your fingertips or maybe at your keyboard tips. Functions are like superpowers for your spreadsheets. They can help you analyze data, find trends, and make better decisions. It's like having a crystal ball for your numbers. So as you can see the theme, it's all about magic. It's magical. Then another segment we want to look at is how we actually build our formulas, which is building formulas. Now it's time to get creative. Yep, creative, but obviously using numerical logic. You can combine multiple functions, cell references, and operators to build complex formulas. It's like putting together a puzzle, but with numbers. You can create formulas for anything from calculating interest rates to tracking your workout progress. Yep, even when you're at the gym using your watch, that's data coming out, which you can then translate into formulas in order for you to calculate how many hours you spent gymming within a month. So that's a formula happening in your brain. But now you're building your own formulas within a spreadsheet. So it's like you're an architect. You're designing custom calculations to fit your specific needs, and it empowers you, and it's so addictive once you get used to it, which I hope will come out from this episode that you will. And there you have it, spreadsheet enthusiasts or data analytics enthusiasts, or soon to be. You've taken your first steps into the world of formulas, and with practice, you'll become a formula wizard. As you've heard, it's like a puzzle, it's creative, but using numbers and also basic calculations like sum, average, you can multiply, and you can divide. And in our next episode, we will dive into the art of formatting your spreadsheet to make them look as good as they can perform. Until then, keep experimenting and exploring the endless possibilities of Google Sheets. See you next time.